Industries, and we're here at the SEMA show in 2022. I'd like to show you a few things about this RBX-E alloy wheel blaster, and let's take a look. First of all, it's an all manganese machine. It's made to last and last. As you can see, it's very durable, very robust and heavy duty. These are a sampling of the wheels that we've blasted with this machine. This would be one with the heavy duty epoxy coating on it. You can see that doesn't come off so well, but as you move over to some of the other wheels, we can see that they blast off quite nicely. This machine will do 2 wheels at a time, does both sides of them. So if it's a wheel that's already been stripped, we can look at being able to blast 2 wheels in less than 5 minutes. So if you look at the outside of the machine, got a nice clean electrical box. This is generally on the side of the machine instead of on a stand out here on the side. But you can see it's got a left amp meter and a right amp meter, forward blast timer, reverse blast timer, start, dust collector on and off, rollers, makes the rollers spin around, and then a cycle stop. So with the left and right amp meter, it's really kind of cool because as the amperage is right in the machine, these meters will turn green, and when they're in the green, that means you're getting the maximum blast potential. And it's designed to minimize any shock coming out of the machine. So when we take a look inside of the machine, you'll see the heavy-duty rim guides, and these are adjustable, by the way. I'll move this one around here a little bit so you can see how this works, but you just slide them out and put them into a different spot if you want to hold your rims up as you're blasting, because there's so much power in this machine, it will turn a wheel over unless you're using these rim guides. So we also have a deflector plate on the sides, and these deflector plates shoot the shock from going straight up and going over. So looking around the back side of the machine, you'll see it's well guarded. The motor here is for making the rollers turn. Down below, the blast motors are very open and accessible for service. And there is a dust collector that goes with this machine. It's a 5 horsepower, 3 horsepower dust collector, but does a really good job of cleaning all the dust and stuff out of the air. So that dust collector can be put outside, or it can also be used inside, all depending on what your situation is. So the voltages that are available on this machine would be a single phase 220, 3-phase 220, 440, 575, or 600 volt if you happen to be in Canada. And this can also be made to operate over in Europe with a CE certification. By the way, all the parts that we use in this machine are CSA certifiable and can be certified once it's moved into Canada and hooked up in Canada. Then we also have powder coating equipment. This is a powder coater, and you'll see we also have infrared ovens and powder coat booths. And for the shop that's moving more into the higher production, we can also put together monorails for you that'll go from all the way from a chemical stripping process into a wash process, into an oven process to dry them out, and then a blasting before they go into the final powder coating stage. So we do everything from just the smallest production shops up to the largest production shop where they're doing thousands of wheels per day. So give us a call. Our number is 316-265-7997 or LS Industries. Please ask for Austin or Greg. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for